Hello, this video will be a walkthrough of all the options available for the Neon chat in StreamElements. So first, to access all the options, you'll want to go to Settings, and you'll see them divided into different sections. So this first section is actually to send test messages, and if you want, you can enable this test black background so you can see lighter colors better. Just remember to untoggle it before actually streaming. And this test message button is, as you could just see, for sending a test message. This currency settings section is to configure how tips are displayed if you have alerts enabled. So if you want to override the currency so it displays a certain currency no matter what it was tipped in, you can change this to yes and enter your currency code below. And then this language and locale option just puts the unit in the right place per your language. Under display settings, you can toggle off or on badges, roles, and alerts. You can choose to enable an alert sound from a few options. And at any point, if you want to test sending an alert, you can go to this emulate bell button and select any alert type. You can increase or decrease the message limit, so how many messages show up here before they fall off. This hide messages after a certain number of seconds option lets you choose an amount of time where even if you haven't hit the message limit, old messages will still fall off. So for example, if you put 30 seconds here, after 30 seconds this top message will fall off. If you have it set to 0, then it's disabled and they'll stay up until you hit the limit. By default, command lines are hidden, so that's anything starting with an exclamation mark. You can choose to merge consecutive messages from the same user, so they'll be merged into the same message box rather than creating a separate box. You can input any users you want ignored, so that's useful for bots or other automized messages. Under custom alert messages, you can change the phrasing of any of the alerts. These bracketed items, username and amount, are variable, so once the alert actually shows up, they will be replaced with the username of the person, user related to it, or the amount if it's something that has a number amount associated with it. And under colors and styling, you can change the font size, the emote size separately if you want it to be bigger or smaller than the text. You can change how transparent the widget is if you want to see your stream a bit through the chat widget. This flicker frequency option determines how often these flicker animations come up, or you can set it to 0 to disable the animation altogether. If you check this randomly assigned colors, you'll see each message have a different random color. If you uncheck it, you'll be using these colors below that you can customize for the messages. And they'll all follow the same color scheme. Those are all the options for this widget. Hope you enjoy it and happy streaming.